If you love cooking but hate all the chopping and prep work, finding the best small food processor can make a huge difference. In this video, we're breaking down the best mini food processor options that deliver big performance in compact designs. Each one has its own strengths, from powerful motors to easy cleanup and smart design. Before we dive in, I'm honestly super interested to hear what kind of food prep you do most often. So let me know in the comments what you'd use your mini food processor for. You'll find links to each model in the description box below if you'd like to check current prices or learn more. Let's begin with the Nutribullet NBP50100, a small food processor that combines power, precision, and versatility in a compact form. When you first use it, you'll notice its solid build and the satisfying hum of its 450-watt motor. It's powerful enough to handle dense ingredients like nuts and root vegetables while still being gentle enough for herbs and softer foods. The motor base feels sturdy and stable, ensuring that even when you're working with tougher ingredients, the processor stays firmly in place. This gives you a sense of confidence and control as you chop, slice, or puree your way through a recipe. The Nutribullet NBP50100 7-cup capacity is generous for a compact model, allowing you to prepare larger batches of dips, sauces, or chopped ingredients without having to stop and empty the bowl. The stainless steel blades are engineered for precision, delivering consistent results whether you're making a coarse salsa or a smooth hummus. The slicing and shredding discs are equally effective, letting you prepare everything from finely shredded carrots to evenly sliced cucumbers in seconds. You'll find that every texture feels deliberate and uniform, giving your dishes a professional finish that stands out in small food processor reviews across the web. Another feature that really enhances the experience is its user-friendly control dial. You can easily switch between low, high, and pulse settings, giving you full command over how your ingredients are processed. The parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, which means cleanup is quick and effortless. The compact design also makes it easy to store, even in smaller kitchens. When you use the Nutribullet NBP50100, you'll feel like you're working with a much larger, more powerful machine, but without sacrificing space or simplicity. What truly sets the Nutribullet apart is its versatility. It's not just a chopper, it's a true multitasker that can handle slicing, shredding, mixing, and pureeing with equal ease. The attachments fit securely and interchange smoothly, and the processor's thoughtful design minimizes mess and maximizes efficiency. Whether you're preparing a quick pesto, shredding cheese for pizza night, or blending a creamy dip, the Nutribullet NBP50100 delivers consistent, satisfying results every time, earning its place among the top-rated mini food processor models available today. Now, moving on to the Hamilton Beach Stack and Press 72850, you'll immediately notice how its simplicity and practicality shine through. This model is designed for anyone who values straightforward operation without sacrificing performance. Instead of dealing with complex locking mechanisms, you simply stack the bowl on the base, add your ingredients, and press down on the lid to start chopping. The 350-watt motor provides plenty of power for everyday tasks like mincing garlic, chopping onions, or making breadcrumbs, and the stainless steel blades create even, uniform results every time. The Hamilton Beach Stack and Press feels light and manageable, yet its 3-cup capacity is perfect for small to medium prep tasks. The clear bowl allows you to see exactly how your ingredients are progressing, giving you full control over texture and consistency. You'll love how it handles herbs, nuts, and vegetables with equal ease, producing results that are consistently smooth and well-balanced. The design is compact enough to fit comfortably on your countertop or in a cabinet, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or quick meal prep. Ease of use is one of its biggest strengths. There are no complicated buttons or switches, just press down to chop and release to stop. This intuitive design makes it especially convenient when you're multitasking in the kitchen. The parts are dishwasher safe, so cleanup takes just seconds. You'll also appreciate the built-in cord wrap at the base, which keeps your kitchen tidy and organized. It's the kind of thoughtful detail that makes daily use feel effortless and earns it praise in countless mini food processor reviews from home cooks. When you use the Hamilton Beach Stack and press 72850, you'll find that it brings a sense of rhythm and flow to your cooking routine. It's reliable, efficient, and easy to master. Whether you're preparing a quick salsa, chopping nuts for a dessert, or dicing vegetables for a stir-fry, this small food processor delivers consistent, satisfying results that make cooking feel less like a chore and more like a creative process. If you've ever tried this model or something similar, I'm genuinely curious how it's held up for you over time, so feel free to share your experience in the comments. It's a great example of why this model often appears in small food processor reviews as a dependable, affordable choice. Next, let's talk about the Nutribullet NBP50100 Nutri Plus, a compact yet powerful kitchen tool that bridges the gap between a blender and a small processor. The first thing you'll notice is its impressive 700-watt motor, which gives you enough power to crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and chop vegetables with remarkable speed. It's not a traditional food processor, it's a personal blender with the heart of one, which means it's perfect for anyone who wants a compact device that can handle both blending and light food prep. The Nutribullet NBP501 comes with two durable 20-ounce cups made from BPA-free plastic, along with Ninja's signature stainless steel Pro Extractor blades. These blades are designed to create a powerful vortex that pulls ingredients down for even blending. When you use it, you'll find it can handle everything from smoothies and sauces to chopped salsas and nut butters with ease. The one-touch pulse control gives you precision over texture, allowing you to achieve anything from a coarse chop to a silky puree in seconds. You'll appreciate how intuitive the design feels. The cups twist securely into the base, and the motor activates only when the lid is locked in place, ensuring safe operation. The compact footprint makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or quick countertop use. Cleanup is refreshingly simple. Just rinse the blades and cups or place them in the dishwasher. Despite its small size, the Nutribullet NBP501 feels sturdy and capable with a level of performance that rivals larger machines. When you use the Nutribullet NBP501 Nutri Plus, you'll experience the convenience of having both a blender and a mini processor in one. It's perfect for quick smoothies in the morning, chopping vegetables for dinner, or pureeing sauces on the fly. Its combination of speed, power, and simplicity makes it an extremely versatile kitchen companion, one that's easy to rely on day after day. It's no surprise that this model is often mentioned as a top-rated mini food processor alternative for those who want blending power in a compact footprint. Now transitioning to the KitchenAid 3.5 cup food chopper, KFC 3516AQ, this model brings a perfect blend of elegance, control, and efficiency to your kitchen. Its 240-watt motor may seem modest on paper, but it's finely tuned for precision, giving you smooth, consistent results every time. The two-speed operation, combined with a pulse function, allows you to fine-tune your textures with ease. You can easily switch between coarse chopping for salsas and fine pureeing for sauces or dressings. The 3.5 cup work bowl is ideal for small batches, making it perfect for quick tasks like chopping herbs, nuts, or vegetables. The drizzle basin built into the lid is one of its standout features. It lets you add liquids gradually while the processor runs, which is ideal for emulsifying dressings or creating silky smooth mayonnaise. The stainless steel blade is sharp and durable, and the bowl locks securely into place for stable, effortless operation. You'll also appreciate how user-friendly it is. The bowl, lid, and blade snap together seamlessly, and when you're finished, they can go straight into the dishwasher. The cord wraps neatly underneath the base, keeping your countertop clutter-free. The lightweight design makes it easy to move and store, yet it feels solid and well-built in your hands. Beyond its technical performance, the KitchenAid KFC 3516AQ adds a touch of style to your kitchen. Available in a range of colors, it's as visually appealing as it is functional. When you use it, you'll find that it feels intuitive, precise, and reliable. Everything you'd expect from a brand known for quality craftsmanship and thoughtful design. It's consistently featured in many food processor reviews as one of the most stylish and efficient options in its class. Finally, we come to the Cuisinart Mini-Prep Plus DLC2A, a true classic and one of the most beloved small food processors on the market. From the moment you start using it, you'll notice how well-balanced and efficient it feels. The 250-watt motor delivers just the right amount of power for chopping, grinding, and pureeing, while the patented reversible stainless steel blade lets you switch between sharp and blunt edges depending on your task. This dual-function design means you can chop herbs and vegetables on one setting and grind nuts or spices on the other without changing attachments. The 3-cup work bowl is compact yet perfectly sized for small tasks like making pesto, chopping onions, or grinding coffee beans. The touchpad controls are smooth and easy to operate, and the motor runs quietly, adding to its appeal. You'll appreciate how quickly it handles ingredients, producing consistent results in seconds. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle, and the small footprint ensures it fits comfortably on any countertop. Cleaning the Cuisinart Mini-Prep Plus is refreshingly simple. The bowl, lid, and blade are all dishwasher safe, and the smooth touchpad wipes clean with a damp cloth. The simplicity of the 2-button interface, chop and grind, makes it intuitive to use even if you've never owned a food processor before. Despite its compact size, it feels sturdy and durable, a testament to Cuisinart's long-standing reputation for reliability. When you use the Cuisinart Mini-Prep Plus DLC2A, you'll find that it brings a sense of ease and precision to your cooking. It's perfect for quick, everyday prep work, helping you save time while producing beautifully consistent results. Whether you're making a batch of fresh salsa, grinding nuts for a dessert, or blending a smooth sauce, it performs with quiet confidence and dependable quality every time. Out of all these picks, I'm genuinely curious which one you'd see fitting best in your kitchen, so share your thoughts below because I love hearing what people actually use day to day. It's no wonder it's often highlighted in Best Mini Food Processor and Small Food Processor reviews for its reliability and ease of use. So there you have it, 5 compact yet powerful contenders for the best small food processor. Each one offers something a little different, whether it's power, simplicity, or style. If one of these stood out to you, you'll find links to check current prices right below. Thanks so much for watching, and I genuinely hope this helped you find the best mini food processor for your kitchen.